Welcome back. Yesterday, Pip the fox learned that shape families nest. Today, he's building the whole tree. A figure finds its exact branch in this family by looking strictly at its mathematical properties. Broad, general shape families form the heavy lower trunk, while highly specific, specialized shapes grow up in the highest twigs. Read the tree, and you see at a glance how every shape relates to the rest. It works exactly the way a creature is placed on a biological family tree by its physical traits. Let's watch closely and see exactly how a rectangle climbs up this geometric hierarchy to find its rightful home. A shape with 4 straight sides officially classifies right here on the quadrilateral trunk. Because opposite sides are parallel, it advances to the parallelogram branch. Finally, 4 right angles secure its ultimate spot on the rectangle branch. Attributes from a lower branch stay true on every branch above it. Therefore, every rectangle is permanently a parallelogram and permanently a quadrilateral. Things get interesting when a single shape follows 2 separate sets of geometric rules at the exact same time. This glowing square has 4 right internal angles, so it perfectly meets the rules for the rectangle branch. But it also has 4 equal sides, simultaneously meeting the strict rules for the rhombus branch. Why does a square sit on both the rectangle and rhombus branches? Because it perfectly satisfies both definitions, belonging to both families at once. Geometric classification relies entirely on satisfying specific property definitions. You never have to force a shape into just one exclusive label. Now Pip tests the boundaries to see what happens when a rule is broken, attempting to hang a trapezoid on the parallelogram branch. This trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel sides highlighted. Pip assumes 1 pair is enough to qualify as a parallelogram. But a mathematical parallelogram requires exactly 2 pairs of parallel sides, and this shape gives only 1. Missing that second pair of parallel sides, it fails the logical rule. It cannot advance and smoothly slips down to a broader classification. Lacking a single defining property prevents a shape from moving higher in the hierarchy. Always separate the strict defining attribute from a nearby weaker one. The whole tree glows complete. The quadrilateral trunk branches into parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus lens, ending in square twigs. Every figure rests exactly where its properties place it. The system works as a unified whole, summarized by a simple rule. A specific shape is a kind of broader shape because of its exact properties. Properties decide the branch. Knowing a shape's highly specific name instantly grants you all the mathematical knowledge of its parent categories without ever needing to reevaluate it. The chaos of random shapes is finally gone forever. The completed tree now shows every relationship at once. Climb by properties, and every shape finds its branch. By building a hierarchy step by step through strict mathematical properties, every shape predictably finds its logical, undisputed home. I'll see you at the next bend.